16 to 12 right now. Philippine Army up by 4 over the Far Eastern University. And as we continue, Shoes Day. Hindi Tuesday, Shoes Day tayo. Araw ng mga sapatos. So Iris Patrona displaying hers. Mamaya titignan natin kay Nes Pamilar. Actually, pati yung kay Sangmuang medyo colorful din.
Oh, purple, and that's my fave. But
when they go to the quick again to Eulalio, just when the Philippine Army thought that they wouldn't do it again. See, this time on the runner for Eulalio, and Eulalio lost her brakes.
That's right. And ano na siya, not in familiar territory.
Yung net ng volleyball, ginawa niya hairnet. Here's Yonko now on the serve. Army up by 5. Sangmuang. C for Patrona. Dug up by Dakis. Dakis with a long approach. Here's Bunag. Sets up Carolino. Who's got nowhere else to go but get it across. Giselle C. Too near for Iris. Deflects it. Now Dakis. Over everybody. Great play from Rachel Dakis.
Heads up play there. At mukhang napachance pa siya dun sa pagkaganda nun.
Why not? It is now a 6-point lead for the Philippine Army. Timeout, FEU.
Philippine.
Matas ka na dito, wala na yung...
Tsaka yung kapag nag-grab, hindi mo sa forma papalo, kaya dito, nakagano kagad ang kamay mo. Hindi mo lang gano'n sa paro. Ito yung namin. Hindi mo pa rin ako palo mo. Hindi.
FEU Makati is now offering the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. And FEU, ayan, yan yung kay Pachari.
Pwede na rin pwede
purple.
na That's my,
Purple
all-time
haze.
favorite color.
Okay, Purple Haze, Purple Rain. Pwede rin. Gallego, that's a rare mistake, but when Eulalio keeps it alive. Bunag, across and misses.
And that paid off for Gwyneth Eulalio.
Layo na naman ang hinukay ni Gallego para makuha yun. Lead is down to 5 for Army. Serving, Eulalio. And Eulalio. Good serve once again.
Floater for Gwyneth. Gives FEU their 14th point.
Pero 4 pa rin ang inahabol nila kontra dito sa Philippine Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Eulalio on that serve. Iratay powerless against the much taller Remy Palma.
And now she read that well. Alam niya si Ratay nakakadalawa na to. And this is what you want. Mabilis pagpasa.
Pero napansin mo,
mabilis mag-adjust.
napansin mo yung experiment ni Rico de Guzman is still ongoing up to now.
Yep.
No Tina Salak, no Mayat Carolino. Who else pa ba yung inupo niya doon?
Well, because this troop actually was able to win the second set for him.
Bunag drops it in. So balik sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army.
Well, in the third set, C with 3 excellent sets, Iratay with 4 of her own.
Let's see if Dakis can find some measure of success sa kanyang service dito. It hasn't been working for her today. This time it goes. Here's Patrona, however. Oh, wow! I think Dakis was so happy that her serve came in na hindi na siya nakabalik sa depensa.
Yun ang mahirap minsan when you serve from way beyond the line.
Right.
Ang tagal din, syempre. Of course, tatakbuhin mo ulit yun para makabalik.
19-16. Good dig from Gallego again. Here's C for Sangmuang. Blocked there by Bunag. Oh, Giselle C. Able to force Bunag into an overreaching.
That's right. Smartly played there. And Bunag biting into that.
Para nakita ni Bunag. Ayan yung maliit, ayan yung maliit.
Subo ko. Sabi ng
yung pala lampas na. And then dapat may spet. Tihi. Yan. Palma tries to drop it in. Bunag! And Bunag gets the point on the check.
Bunag right away, making up for that error a while ago.
Pero tatlo na lang itong kabanting to. Kanina, dalawa na lang. So FEU once again creeping in when it matters most. Iratay with a great serve. And Giselle C. puts Dakis on the floor. Carolino. Patrona. C. Oh, almost dropped it in again. Here's Dalia Cruz. And this is going across now for Michelle, who cannot get it across.
Net block for Michelle Carolino. At itong si Michelle, napaupo pa sa lakas nung palo niya, but that didn't go across. So FEU just 2 points down.
Oo, pabala.
Ito lagi, no? Yung humahabol in this portion.
Here's Iratay. Going to Michelle, turned back there by Palma. Bunag. Giliego keeping it alive long enough for Giselle C. Ivy with the free ball. And Bunag, wow, got lucky that time.
And a bit of a hang time. Nagamit niya pa yun, pababa na siya nung yung for the tip, no? Last minute.
Pati si Palma, nabenta dun eh. Bunag serve, Giliego. C. Ivy tries to roll it in. Palma, Dakis is there. Iratay. Michelle Carolino. Ivy. Sang Muang, free ball.
Free ball given to the Philippine Army.
And, great dig there by Giliego again. Palma. And Palma, not really that strong, but fooled the defense of the Philippine Army.
But partner, again, credit Giliego for excellent digs. For her excellent digs. Grabe.
Again, Jen Reyes in the making. Probably might even surpass Jen Reyes. Itong si Charlene Giliego. Gano'ng kataas ang tingin po namin sa mga libero dito sa ligang to?
Mga feeling na kasi natin unsung heroes.
Oh, definitely. And Yonko somehow gets that through. But here's Ivy off the block. Nuna gets to it. Dakis. Michelle. Patrona. C. Runner from Weneth. Iratay keeps it alive. Here's Michelle. Ay, nagkatinginan na lang si Palma at saka si Patrona.
No one there to dig it.
It looks like we have an injury on the Philippine Army side. Iratay a little slow to move here. And now a substitution is being asked so that we will see Tina Salak back in the game. And Iratay is gingerly. I don't remember where the injury came from. So it looks like a knee. I wonder what Urs is counting there.
Oo nga eh.
I don't know, she's counting. I don't know. Rina's on her way there already. Urs Iratay will sit down. Tina Salak comes back in. And yung mga bumuhat, yung mga members ng team na on the floor. So Salak back in. And just in time probably just to close out this third set. We will tell you in a bit the condition of Urs Iratay. So Michelle Carolino. Giliego again. Great first ball. Sang Muang. And Yonko will have to give it up. Oh, nice setup here for Pachari. Dalia across. Here's a great block here.
Once again, the Philippine Army with a block right away. Tina Salak helping get that point.
And a 4-point lead once again for the Philippine Army. Timeout FEU.
Discuss mo lang, G. Ha? Huwag mo mag-iwa. At anong pwede mo nakakaikot tayo. Di ba si Ivy dati nakakaikot? Saan mo magano? Discuss mo lang, binibigyan lang ito ng option. Ha? So para pagka ganun niya, dalawang gumano niya, may iwan isa ron. Ha? Sige.
Again, your chance to watch the Shakey's V-League live here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Just get 500 pesos, minimum 500 pesos worth of Shakey's products from any of their restaurants in the Makati, Manila area, and you can get a general admission ticket. So keep buying Shakey's products to get more tickets. Bring your friends over. Free volleyball, especially the semifinals, intense
Yun na nga
yan.
sasabihin ko, right timing, di ba?
Right.
Yung going to the semifinals na tayo. You get to enjoy your pizza and meron ka pang libreng ticket to enjoy the
Malamig
game.
dito sa Nino Stadium. Nice drop there from Ivy.
That's right, off speed coming from Ivy. Earns FEU their 20th point, although the Philippine Army needing only 2 more points to close out this set.
Pachori. Sangmuang. Nunag. Salak, one-hand set for Yonko. Drops it in.
So that was just enough for Yonko to get that point.
And Yonko gives the Philippine Army 4 set points. Talia Cruz. Trying to put it away. Sangmuang. C. Quick set to Eulalio. Dalia Cruz shouting as she got to it. Gallego. C. Quick set again to Eulalio.
Another chance for FEU.
Patrona. Here's Dakis. And Dakis puts it away.
With the help of the net.
It came off the net, but that was also enough to give the Philippine Army the win here in set number 3. They are now up 2 sets to 1. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. Tina Salak coming in just the right time. And Rachel Andakis with her little help from her friend, the net.